first day of the week, so it's not that, it's hard to start working, to be honest.
Yeah, but that's like the how he's organizing where you live. Like everyone works from Sunday to Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, shall we wait for the others to join? Maybe Cherik, Mitch. And we have Ramin. So let's start with intentions, distractions. My intention is that we better dedicate 30 minutes of this meeting to test party for the Ichi farm, and the rest we just do a very quick thing like our dailies. I think that is enough for today. So the 30 minutes of this meeting, I just dedicated to the testing of the Ichi, and Amin will probably lead the meeting. And the rest is I just want to go in the board and see what's going on with the issues that we have. I pass it on to Cherik.
Thank you, Onik. Hello, guys. Excuse me for joining late. I'm making coffee. Yeah, my intention for the call is talking about the release. I think we should manage a plan a release for verification, for 100 volt. Yeah, and I'm not distracted. I don't know who's left. Pass it to Ali Reza.
Thank you, Cherik. My intention for the call is to plan the next week and also test Angel Vault and no distraction. I pass it to Ami.
Hey everyone, my intention in this call will be test Angel Vault having a smooth release for Ichi and Give Economy. Mato will not join today. Carlos, do you know?
I'm not sure. Maybe he hasn't responded me. He wasn't feeling that well yesterday, so I'm not sure. I'll let you know soon. Oh.
Okay, thank you. And if we have time, whether our procedure for versioning and delivery is not clear yet, right? So we can discuss it later in another session if we have it ready. Yeah, that's it. So if it happens, I liked Mitch and Lauren. Mitch is here. Lauren was here to talk about whether we can merge to production today or not. After we see that each and the test environment is working well or not. That's it. I pass it to Rami.
Thank you. I'm here to sync up with the team and plan for the release. I don't have any distractions right now. I pass it to Mo.
Hey everyone, I'm working on the verification center and some part of the kit cover and finding other issues. No distraction. I pass it to Mitch.
Thank you. I'm back from vacation and looking forward to testing Give Power if there's anything left and working on any small front end issues. I'm a bit distracted by the forum and other things, but yeah, I'll pass it to Jesse? Yep. Yep.
Yes. Mo is already went, so I pass it on to
Thank you. Hey everyone, I was working on the implementing notification center part side of Impact Graph. I did almost what I thought it would be necessary. I would create the PR maybe tonight or tomorrow to Carlos see it and give me some feedbacks to how we want to integrate Impact Graph with a notification center. I have no distraction. I pass it to. Sorry, my internet was bad and I missed someone. I pass it to you, Monique.
Mateo. Would you please? Hello, man.
Sorry, what?
Mateo, are you here?
Yeah, hey guys. Sorry, I was feeling a little bit bad this morning and yeah, took my time to come, but I'll I'll take it slow, but I'm here. It's just a stomach issue. But for my updates, I left a PR Friday on the Nosy Safe integration is working really cool. I asked Ashley to test it out. I left the instructions on the PR. I think Amin gave the thumbs up for it. Also, yeah, I think I review a tiny PR from Amin and other stuff that I don't remember at the moment. But yeah, essentially I was taking my time to the Nosy Safe. Essentially, that's yeah the most important one. And would like to see if the release is going to happen tomorrow with all of that. And yeah, interested in listening to the plan of this week with you guys. I don't know who's missing.
I think everyone went, so
Maybe.
oh, Carlos, go ahead, man. Sorry.
Hey, yeah. Last week, well, aside from reviewing many PRs, I left on Friday for Alireza the multi-filter query. So he's implementing that. He left me also some feedback today that I should finish. So I'm gonna be pushing that in the next 15 minutes. Um, Aside from that, I also work on Ashley's issue regarding the CSV, adding the multiple addresses to the CSV. So I'm fixing some tests, and I should probably be done that in a few hours. And then my goal is to get the Fiyama merge on their repository. So I'm gonna leave the PRs to them and see if they tell me anything and let you know, because Amin and Mohammed already approved. Yeah, and then back to the notification center in the afternoon or tomorrow and the rest of the week. Back to you, Mo.
Thank you, guys. I can go to the board, but according to my internet connection is not that stable. I don't know why. So I just turn on video, and if you guys can't hear me, just let me know that I ask you to share your screen. So let's take a look at what's going on. So this one has already approved. Carlos, do you think that we should? You asked it, and I think Mish also asked me, and I asked Mohammed also, and you said that is no way that we can test it. So, what do you think?
I
How we can?
mean, the way to test it is to run the script and check with the GIF farm directly on production, which is I think what Mohammed did, and also yeah, I mean there's no other way. I'm connected to production since I'm reading from the subgraph. I think in the in yeah, I think it's because it's on on an RPR. I'll link the PR there.
Okay. So, what should we do? I think. Can you help me? I just run the script and check with the production, or
Sure,
somebody else
sure.
approve it, or I don't know. Mish, are you interested to run the script and see that it's accurate or not?
Run the script on what?
We should run this script that it's all of the information is provided here by Amin, I think. And we should check that is the APRs are accurate with your farms or not.
PR must be written in the repo.
We want to show our farms APRs on the DeFi Llama, and it's very beneficial that we have some way to do it the same with other platforms that showing the other DeFi pools. So I just before we go into implementation, I need somebody approve it. I think I'm not the best one to approve this.
But what? I'm running a script where?
I post the link. I posted the link now. Reload the.
Okay.
I also paste the instructions in backend. Copy and paste.
Can you do it, or I think?
Yeah. I just paste reload again. What that's the repository, but I paste the instructions to run it in the issue.
Here. Location, server adapter, Giveth index.js, install dependencies.
You only need to npm install and run the last command, node source test, and that will generate the GIF farm.
I think I explained the flow of testing in the issue. I tested it myself and I explained that in the issue. You can see there.
This is the issue, but I can't find it, unfortunately.
Maybe it's in the PR, Mohammed.
You're right.
Link the PR also.
You're right.
So I because of that, my question, because Misha also asked on it how to test, and
I post the PR also.
Okay.
Okay. Well, if it's already tested, then I mean maybe we can move on. But I just go through the list and try and push things through.
I think that somebody else rather than the one who coded and reviewed should test, because they're
Okay. Well,
something.
Okay, well then just tag me on it.
Okay, I
Because
just try my best, but this is my internet search.
Oh boy. Well, just Carlos do it then.
Carlos, can you assign Mitch on it, please?
Yes.
Sorry.
I just did.
Can any of you help me sharing the board? I think that my internet is having the same problems at the time of the meeting. Okay. So this one, put it in the U8. These PRs here, waiting for the review, and they're not waiting for the review, but it's just kind of pending. This one has been merged. Has been reviewed and approved, I think. So I put it in the U80. This one also put it in the U80. This one also, this one, and also this one. And these searching projects have awaiting review from the Cherik. Just for information, I think you're aware of it, Cherik. If you are not, please take a look. 1235. This one also waiting for changes, I think. And Matt already requested some changes. This one that we talked about it. Am I right? I think I have to confirm that was the decision. I think the provided design is good. So the provided design is without, close button here.
Monique, I think you misunderstood the Matto's comment, because Matto changed the word. It doesn't mean the toast container. Matto meant
Yeah,
the pop-up.
Yeah, I saw it. Even the pop-up, even the pop-up, it was shows only on the hover, not on the close. But we have a Mo here. Mo, would you please open the issue number? This one, 1229.
Yeah, wait a second.
Can anyone help me share their screen? I'm really need help. Please help me.
I can share it.
Thank you. And would you please open the issue number and show it to the...
Actually, and find it.
It's the PR. I think the PR, you have comment on it. Please open the PR. Yeah. And would you please, this one. Scroll down, please. Yeah. This one, most likely for information, on the give power, there's a question mark icon there. And Matto suggested that we add a kind of close button there. What we should do about the closing? We should close. It should be a close button there, or even the user clicks on elsewhere rather than this pop-up. It should close.
Mo, I just want to explain, because it's not a close thing, it's nothing to add, it's just that when you click outside the box, it should disappear by default, because that's usually the UX, and it just stays and remains there forever. So that's annoying, because if the user wants to get rid of that pop-up, it should be allowed. But it's nothing to be changed in the design, it's just on the UX.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to fix that. Okay, thanks for raising the issue. I will fix it and share the design on here. But I think it's probably better to have it closed. I was thinking maybe maybe it's a little bit not clear for the user that it can tap outside because if it's if the if you're going to have that kind of behavior, somehow we have to fade out the background to let the user know that they cannot basically click there. But I think it's much easier to just add close to the pop-up.
So if I understand well, it means that you have been approved it a little bit, but not that much. That but it's the PR is ready.
It's not approving. Approving what?
Prove that if the user clicks somewhere else rather than this pop-up, the pop-up should close. That's it.
That's an extra thing that we can actually do, but we also need the close button. We need the close icon for the pop-up to make it clear for user, because if you don't know that, you basically stuck there. Unless you click somewhere by mistake and then you realize that, well, this is something that I need to do next time. But we actually need the close button for the pop-up.
Okay, I got your point, but for now, I think Mato is right. We can proceed. Ramin, thank you. Ramin, would you please close this one? And let's take a look at the rest. The add edit project form refactoring. The PR Cherik requested some changes to this. Are you aware of it, Cherik? Mato?
Yeah, it's merged, no?
No, it's not merged. It's merged?
Oh, then it's waiting for review.
Yeah, they asked for some changes.
Oh, I didn't see. Okay, got it.
Okay. And for the this one, I think it has been also. Would you please open it? I just want to. This is one related to the Gnosis, and Mato said about it. So, is it clear for tester to test it, Mato?
Yeah. When it's on staging, the way is to go to the Gnosis safe, go to the tab that says apps, and just copy paste the link from the staging server, from the staging root, sorry. And that would be it. When you go to the sign in option, you choose Gnosis safe, and then it will connect, and that's it.
So Ashley should sign it. Ashley should approve it. What do you think?
I'm looking at it right now. And what is it that I need to approve? Whether it's working?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's working. Mohammed and I added some donations from Aragon, and it was working just fine.
Okay, if you approve it, we can move it to done.
Okay, it's 8:11. Okay.
Okay. So Ramin, would you please move it to done? Thank you. And the rest, enabling. Sorry, go up please a little bit. This category version. This fixed givebacks responsiveness is not related to any issue. I'm not sure what's the PRS.
I think it's related to the issue that Mitch raised in all the channel.
So should everyone review it?
It's not done.
Yeah, it's not done.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Sorry.
It's not finished.
It's not finished.
I have some changes that I'm gonna push into there today.
Okay. So single project page refactoring showing categories. Let's see. It's not in the code review. Would you please get it back to in progress because I'm not sure because it's showing that it has the pending PR. So filtering, sorting. What's the statuses, Alireza? Are we ready for test or is something missing here?
Filtering and sorting, just there is some little details I think I should check. It's implemented completely, but I should check some details. And yeah, that's it.
So what's the problems? Can we help you on this right now to get everybody
No, there is no problem. Just for example, whether we can when we click on when we change main categories, for example, should we delete filters or sorting or not, and some stuff like that. If you know the answer, it would be great.
So shall we put it back in progress for you, or this is the right place?
Yeah, it's in the right place. Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at in progress. Just a quick view. I'm seeing that Angel Bot rewards program is still there. I mean, I think we should put it in the UAT right now. Am I right? I mean, are you with us?
Yeah, I was mute. Sorry. Yes, we can.
So
Do
should
you hear
I
me?
move it
Yes,
UAT?
yes. Please.
Okay, would you please Angel reward program? I just put it in the UAT. And for the rest, single project refactoring showing categories, it's in progress. Ireza, do you need any help or do you have any blockers on this? Do you want to elaborate something on this problem, this issue number 1124?
Let me check the issue. I think I did it, but let me check. 1124. Yeah, it's waiting for review. Yeah, after that we can put it on UAT. I think.
Shows me that the PR is pending, it's not submitted.
I think it's not. Yeah, I will check and update the status.
Okay. And let's go to the integrate impact graph with notification center. Mohammed, you can tell us a brief progress on notification center stuff.
The notification center provides some API that Impact Graph can use it. For instance, and it's important that when we use those APIs with what parameters. I uh, um, I assume that we have those APIs, so I implemented something that when we send event to segment that we say, hey, a donation has been created. We call notification center and say a donation has been made. We call them, so when we implement the notification center and make it live, we can integrate these two projects together. So I'm working on the consuming API part.
Okay. Just for information, we have a sync with Mohammed with Mosaidi today, and I just sent you the result of this meeting. All the expected events has been listed there, so you can take a look. You can have a clue more about it. And about the weekend that you're going to vacation, can we make sure that Carlos is on the right side of can continue this issue for the team?
I would do my best to share the knowledge, and I would discuss more with Carlos in these days.
Great, man. Okay, let's take a look at the sprint backlog very quick because we have to jump into the testing party. So implementing web services for notification as read is also here. Assignee is Muhammad, I think, and Carlos. So the all issues here are notification unless the give power. Would you please scroll down? Yeah. This give power and the like icon and tooltip to the give amount under on a stake. Would you please open it? Sure about it. Sure. And this issue has an assignee and Mitch. Mitch, you need help on this?
I haven't started it. I'm sorry. I was camping last week.
Okay, no problem. So would you please move it to in progress for information? And we have another one for you, Mitch. This is the page under broken. We just ask to do some fixes on the text.
Yeah, I left some comments in there actually because it's not a text fix. It's like adding in elements. I think there's like more. This is probably a bit out of my skill range.
Okay, sorry. I check it. I will let you know. You
Yeah.
can close this, Rami. Thank you. And this one, give power APR this row. This is a bug and it's assigned to Amin and Sherik. Do you have any updates?
I think Amin can help because I don't know about the calculation that distro and Kotaba asked about that. Amin, go ahead.
Just a question, and would you please scroll it down, Ramin? I want to see the latest. Ramin, would you please open it and scroll it down? Sorry.
Let me open it separately.
Which issue, sorry?
Scroll it down. I want to see their latest comments. Yeah. So there is no comment. And I think that we should put it back to the product backlog because we're not sure that is a bug or not. Okay, so setting up a new project is notification center. This one is also notification center. I'm done with the planned things. Do you guys have any other blockers or issue that you want to be mentioned here? And who has bandwidth? Who is free?
I'm free.
Also, I think I will be free after tomorrow.
Yeah, I think tomorrow we can focus on the category and finish it. And maybe after tomorrow, all front-end guys are free and we can focus or maybe implement some technical depths if we don't have any new epic to
Guys,
start.
I'm really afraid to, bring some new issues because we have lots of things in the UAT. We didn't even go live with the multi-recipient address new UX, nor the verification form. And there is Ichi and lots of things on the gig economic side. So I think that we should test. And for the rest of the week, yeah, I know that your profession is not testing, but we have to make sure live and
if we have test sheet, for example, test cases for the epics, or we can test, yeah, but maybe we are not perfect testers.
Okay. I saw it out.
Yeah.
I think with the help of the Lauren.
Yeah.
And I think it's your time. Would you please help us to test a little bit more about the Ichi form? Are we there? So until the admin gets prepared, I think at the end of this meeting, the farm is going live. So we do some bunch of testing, but I think it's not that much enough. And admin want to say us something and ask
Yes,
for
thank
help.
you, Monique. Thank you, Monique. Let's for everyone here. I think not everyone has test token for testing the Ichi on a test environment. Ramin, would you please go to Give Economy that Versal app / Give Farm? If I can share the screen, if you'd like. Yeah, go ahead. Give Economy. That. I can use it. Thank you. I can share my screen.
Yeah, okay.
Share my screen. Thank you. Yes. You see my screen, right?
It's loading for me.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
If I send the link here in the chat, it's called. It's our test environment that after this, we will have 2 development branches. Actually, one developed for application dApp, and one is Give Economy for development of the Give Economy generally. So for instance, if you want to implement something to launch Ichi, we will develop Give Economy and then merge it to the production, and it will be that this change will be pushed to the production. If you want to change in the, for instance, project verification flow, donate page, project view, single page, and everything else, we update develop branch, and change of that branch will be pushed to the production. And these 2 branches, develop and Give Economy, are forked from mainnet production and are developed as different features. The develop is for application features, and Give Economy is for Give Economy features. So features of the application like donate and everything else, for instance, I don't know, our project update, single view, or everything, are features that are pushed to the develop branch, and then after test will be pushed to the production. And features like Give Power, I mean farming part and DeFi part, and having Ichi farm as a new farm will be pushed to Give Economy branch, and the change of the Give Economy will be pushed to the production. Is it clear for everyone, or not?
I think we should write it and make some graphs of it, and
Yeah, maybe just write it down. I mean, that would be helpful.
Yes, but as a rule of thumb, if you need new feature on Give Economy, you should check the Give Economy test. Give Economy, you should use Give Economy that versus that app. Or if you want to check the application of things, check the staging that developed at GivUs. Staging that GivUs.io. Just that. And yeah.
We're gonna have 2 different UAT environment. This is is telling us now. For the Give Economy things, the staging, the UAT, the user acceptance environment, is going to be Give Economy .versal.app. And for dApp side, it's going to be a staging. Is it that you're saying, right now?
Yes. Lauren, it's crucial for you to know that. Are you agree with this?
Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Did you understood what I said? Did you follow up?
Yeah, you were saying that Give Power has its own separate test deployment. It's a separate branch, and then we have this economy test deployment where we have new features for the economy, right?
Yes, and yeah, exactly. Actually, yeah, go ahead.
Sorry.
Exactly. You know, actually, Give Power has different thing because it's run on the test deployment 6. So let's don't talk about this. But generally, our Giveth IO is aggregation of integration of two applications, DeFi and the projects, right? So we had issues last time. For example, if we wanted to launch new farm, we needed everything and give us on projects part be tested before launching the new farm. And yeah, and that makes problem that in order to solve this problem, we forked two branches from the production. One is develop as before for projects updates, and one is Give Economy, which is for just DeFi thing upgrades and having new farm or further modification to the processes. So today, if each farming is successful, we will merge Give Economy, which is developed to have each farm, to the production. So everything on this branch will be pushed to production, and on Give Economy we don't touch anything. We try to don't touch anything. Sometimes it's inevitable, but we don't touch anything related to the projects for the donating and changing project, everything related to the projects part. That's the general thing, general idea. So if you drop in Give Economy app, you will see the branch which is Give Economy, and it will have new features of DeFi or Give Economy, basically. Yes. So if you now open it and switch to, it's my browser. If I switch to mainnet, I will go to Koan, and here we have two Angel Vault farms. One is the old one, and it's the new one that will be launched in 15 minutes. You see? In 15 minutes, this one will be launched. So both of these has the same token as LP. If you see, for instance, my balance here is the same as my balance here. Right? So in case you want to unstake your rewards from the old farm, you have access to it. You can unstake it here, like what I'm doing now, and put your reward, put your LP, let's say your LP in the new farm that will be launched in 50 minutes. I think most of the people here don't have any token to test this farm.
Yeah, would you please send us?
Yeah, anyone who, basically in order to add this, provide liquidity, we don't have test one give, we have test one fill. We use this token to test each farm. So everyone who likes to test this right now with us, just send his address or her address to me right now. I send him some field or one field token for test. I sent Monique, Cherik. What?
I just put it in the platform chat here.
I didn't send you before? Yeah, okay.
I can see it. You just send me the one for the Give Power, not for the Ichi.
Oh, right. You're right.
So it's GRD7, I think. No.
Okay. Anyone else need one field token? Test it. Cool. Mohammed, could you do you have token? If you can test it.
I mean, I sent my address.
I sent you before.
Yeah, but I didn't receive any one field. I don't know why.
Can you see this page to see whether your balance is 0 or not?
Yeah, I see that.
Will you please send
I
us
see
this
you.
link?
You know,
This link is
here,
for
here, click on provide liquidity. Do you see? The provide liquidity on the each
one
wall.
field is 0. I don't have one field. Oh, sorry, it's my fault. I have to connect my valve.
Yes. Okay, let's send you check some token.
Still, I can't see one field. I should be on the mainnet.
No, on Coin.
On Koan, I cannot see any one field. I have test give, but I don't have.
Let me check. It's not your wallet address? 64. No,
it's
I
not
sent. You sent this. You didn't send this? Yeah, here I sent it 3. For I-95, Monique.
So for test, we need to have one field and also Ichi.
No, just one field.
One field, I don't have one field. Anybody else has in this meeting?
Can you share your screen?
Yeah. I hope you can see it.
Lauren, I guess you have LP token. You can stake on the.
Yeah, I already did.
Okay.
So, I mean, just to be clear, like, so we're gonna test a little now, make sure that the rewards are flowing okay at the top of the hour, and then if it looks fine, like push to production within that hour. Is that the plan?
Yeah, I think so.
And you worked well with Katabe on testing the APR, right?
Yes, Kotaba tested today again, and he said it's okay.
Okay. And I was asking Cherik a question about the IRR, because in the tooltip on the old Give farm, the IRR percentage says it's 0. Is that normal and to be expected because somehow the farm was turned off or something? Or
You know, I use the same value that they sent us. You know, via the API. I can share the API link with you. You can see that the value is 0 there.
You know, actually, it makes sense because probably nobody's trading this test token. I think that IRR comes from fees when people are trading it.
Maybe. You know, I couldn't exchange my Give token to one Give, by the way, on Uniswap. And
You can't exchange Give for one Give? It's DAI. It's minted with 100% DAI.
I know. So, by the way, you know, basically it should be in a pool, right? in a
Oh,
pool
yeah.
of one give, right? Or not?
Oh yeah, totally. Totally.
So I should technically be able to swap my give to one give.
It could be because there's not enough liquidity yet.
Yeah, maybe. Yes, maybe. I don't know why Monique. Did you refresh the page? Because your wallet has positive one fill.
Monique, I think you should click on add liquidity and maybe
Yeah. Click on liquidity. No, on the same page, on that page.
on the Ichi.
On the Ichi.
Yeah,
Add liquidity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to read. Yes. Approve and stake. Cool. So if you see my screen, it will start. Mama, do you hear me?
I think Muhammad has.
Yeah, I can't hear you well. I have lots of noise.
Okay.
Yeah, I changed the time for lunch for the startup production. Ichi on Thursday 11 a.m. EST, the same time as now on Thursday. I set everything and updated the server. Can you double check that the values are correct? Cron job, the script start time, and etc. To be sure that everything will be fine on Thursday.
Are you talking about the developer?
No, it's production, the one on the bridge server.
Okay, let me.
Do you know what I'm talking about? The cron job and the script that will be run
Yeah.
to reward notifier.
Yeah.
Cool. No one else here like to participate in the test?
Actually, I tested it and it works fine. It worked fine.
Yeah. Have you stayed in the on the countdown
No,
card
after
also?
I haven't tested it yet. It was
You can
before.
unstake your liquidity from the old one and stake in the new one if you like.
Sure.
I mean, I add liquidity all of my one field, 130, but in our website it shows my LP is very small and I can't stake it.
Yeah. It's a problem that will be solved on the production. No worries.
Test on production. So
Can I share my screen and approve it? I mean,
I just forwarded some liquidity, but it should don't.
no, please go to the website, Malik.
It's not showing any LP.
Yeah, it's 0. Wow. Why?
Can't see my LPs here, but I don't know. It's for my internet connection or. I mean, do you need that I skip share my screen?
I think we don't have any. Yeah.
I mean, it seems the current job is okay. It seems good.
I mean, did you see my screen? My Apple is not showing up in the app. Can you hear me?
That's the same problem I asked Amin, and he said it should fix on production. But I think it's not okay. I mean, can you hear me? I think no.
I think Amin can't hear us. Amin, can you hear us now? Still low. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Sorry.
You cannot hear me?
Right now
No,
we can hear you.
Yeah.
Did you get the problem? You know, I can't see my LPs on the app on the Give Economy.
Did you if you do two transactions? Did you do?
I did. Yeah.
Can you share your screen?
Yes. Can you see it now?
Yeah. Go scroll down. Yeah, you have some positive. Yeah.
No, lots of times that shows me. It's more than 5 minutes, I think. No, it's what? It's because
Really?
of my internet connection, or
I don't think so, because every 5 seconds you will be updated. You should be updated.
I think Sherry saw it. Thanks.
Yeah, I had the same problem, but our internet connection has problem, and maybe it's the cause of the reason of this delay.
And nothing happens right now. So our time is up, guys. Do you want to keep testing on this? We have to jump into give a governance call. And I don't know, that was your decision. I think Lauren can manage it, but we just want to give, once another hand to make sure that the version is accurate. I'm still not sure that we can go live. But what do you think, Lauren?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. I mean, I'll take a look at it from the governance call. But if other people could support in testing, it would be helpful as well. I'm also trying to write and edit the announcement blog post and make the tweet thread, and it's difficult for me to manage both comms and testing and try to get all this out within the gov call. So if other people can help with testing, that would be great. I don't know. I mean, honestly, it's pretty simple. Like the addition to the Give farm is just staking, and you get rewards. So I think we probably can still launch, but I don't know. What do you think, Amin?
I don't know what notifier. Mama, do you know what notifier didn't run?
It seems we call it every hour.
So it's top of the hour.
No, it's let me see the time of server. It should be called, yeah. Are you talking about the production?
Develop.
No, I checked the production. You said the bridge server.
Maybe I think.
Oh no! Yeah, okay, it went through. You know, the transaction took a little bit to go through, so it should be fine. It's fine now. It should be fine. Let's refresh my page, and the reward should be it's started. No, for production, we try to launch the transaction 2 minutes before the start time. So, at least at the start time and countdown timer finished, we will see a positive value. You know, the APR is updated every 60 minutes. Am I right, Rick? I think we have a longer poll for the
it's
poll time for the APR
seconds,
because it doesn't change too much too often.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, if you refresh the page, its APR is positive now. And yeah, I'm getting reward. Everyone should get reward at this moment.
Yeah.
Monique, could you stake?
I'm not sure that it's for my internet connection or but I'm on this condition right now. Share with it. I think nothing is happening right now.
Yeah, you know, internet connection sucks today in Iran. You know, nothing works for you. The point is internet connection.
Yeah, nothing worked. After I just click on a stake and, you know, everything is getting disappeared. And I don't know what to do. I can see the APR, but it won't show me the amount of stake that harvest and etc.
Okay. I think everything is fine in my view. And if everyone is okay, we can merge the production to in 3 days. With 3 days countdown, the production launch.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Cool. Thanks for your time.
Thanks. I mean, we should go to the governance call. Mitch is gonna get mad.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Everyone.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.